If this is your first time working with a law firm, you might be wondering exactly how the retainer works and what it's for. So, first, I want to let you know that the key document that explains and governs how legal fees and retainers work is always your specific retainer agreement with us, which you can access anytime you want in the Client Resources folder of your online account with us. Your agreement is specific to you, and this video isn't a substitution for it. It's just a general overview to help you feel comfortable with how it works. So if you'd like us to go over your specific agreement with you, just let us know. So what is a retainer? As a reminder, a retainer is an upfront deposit that you pay to hire a law firm. At the Bolton Law Firm, we take this payment and we put it in trust for our client. A retainer isn't an estimate of your total legal fees. It's a deposit against the fees before they're incurred. The time that your legal team members, like lawyers and paralegals, spend on your case, plus court costs and fees, will be deducted from the retainer amount that you have in trust. Now, all charges against your retainer will be detailed in your invoices, so you should always be up to speed with what's happening to your funds and what level they are and how we're using them to move you forward towards your goals. Next, let's talk about what happens as your case moves forward and those retainer funds get used. Generally speaking, when you've spent about half of your retainer funds, you're going to be asked to bring your balance back up to its original level or to replenish your retainer. Now, as with everything, the specifics of this are contained in your individual retainer agreement. So you'll receive those frequent statements from us, and you're going to know what's going on and where you stand at any point so you can prepare in advance for a replenishment request. Now, there are a few events that happen, like mediation or trial itself, and they require an additional deposit into your retainer, even if your retainer is already at a comfortable level. And if this applies to your case, you're going to get a reminder from us before that. The most important thing for you to know is that no matter what, your funds remain in a trust account for you until we bill against them. And although there is still work to be done after your case is completed, as soon as we are done wrapping up those loose ends, any and all remaining unused retainer funds will be refunded to you at the conclusion of our work on your behalf. Thank you for working with us. Please know we are always happy to answer any questions.